So GamFa app. So what is that? The app is getting some traction in here. Your ultimate gaming companion, a personal private common center for everything related to your gaming life, designed as a dedicated digital notebook, media library, and memo pad for gamers. GamFa helps you capture, organize, and remember what matters most. This is not a social network. This is your private space to enhance your own gameplay. Dedicated gaming notebook, capture and collect highlights. Here you can keep your screenshots and share your video clips from gaming. Organize your everything effortlessly. Manage your gaming world. Everything you need for your favorite games is now in one easy to access location. GamFa is essentially utility for the organized gamer. It's your personal archive, your strategy guide, and your memory bank all in one sleek app. Level up your gamer profile, claim real rewards, shape the future of gaming. And then here you just seem this is the app by solo developer, so super impressive. Uh, yeah, sorry guys, seems is just literally blocking screenshotting. I don't know why. But overall, definitely recommend for you to yeah to try it. Getting paid to play games. So get paid to play is fun, easy. You're already playing. So not you can't cash out, so can't withdraw anything. Blank white screen. So either it's glitchy or it's blocking screen recording. I don't know. So yeah, seems the app is a bit glitchy. But yeah, if you're into gaming, just give it a try.